Understanding adrenal fatigue, a controversial term used to describe non-specific symptoms when adrenal glands are overworked. Adrenal fatigue is not a medically accepted diagnosis, and symptoms can be associated with other conditions. Signs and symptoms of adrenal fatigue: overwhelming and unrelenting fatigue, often not relieved by rest. Difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or experiencing a non-refreshing sleep. Heightened sensitivity to stress, leading to anxiety and emotional instability. Consistent dips in energy throughout the day, especially in the afternoon. Strong cravings for salty, sweet, or high-carb foods. Unexplained weight gain or difficulty losing weight. 7 tips for managing stress and fatigue. Implement stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises. Take a moment to be mindful and reduce the impact of stress on your body. Eat a well-balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid excessive caffeine and sugar for better energy levels. Ensure you get enough restful sleep each night to allow your body to recover. Sleep is crucial for managing stress and fatigue. Engage in regular physical activity to boost overall health and mood. Exercise helps reduce stress and increases energy levels. Drink plenty of water to help your body function optimally. Staying hydrated is essential for managing fatigue. Don't overwork yourself. Make time for relaxation and leisure activities. Taking breaks is important for managing stress and fatigue. If you suspect adrenal-related issues, consult a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and guidance. They can provide personalized advice based on your symptoms and underlying causes. Remember, if you're experiencing chronic fatigue or any health concerns, it's best to consult a healthcare professional for the right course of action.